Change is dynamic. Change is constant. Change is inevitable. Embrace the change and ride into the future with Mapple's Navisor. Navisor offers a safe and convenient riding experience through the best of technology and human innovation. Its unique turn-by-turn navigation cues in your peripheral vision, keeps you focused without any distractions. Its retrofit design allows for an easy installation on your helmet, making it smart. Navisor, coupled with Nav Audio, helps you stay connected hands-free and enhances your riding experience. With the latest integrated crash detection technology, you ride confidently knowing that you will be safe on the road. Ride safe, ride smart, ride like never before with Mapple's Navisor.
In the city, feeling secure as a cyclist can seem nearly impossible. Every street resonates with a chaotic symphony. Lights dance, horns intertwine. However, the concept of a city where tranquility and safety emerge in the urban bustle is an idea that we pursue. We are Overade, and we're proud to introduce Life, the most elegant and powerful helmet for real safety. Not merely an innovation, but the essential helmet you require. So, why is it the helmet you really need? It's the most powerful, keeping you visible day and night. Effortless signal with blinkers. With sound reminder. Ensuring safety through manual brake light control, the only one braking system that really works. To make our products reliable and essential, we have decided not to create an app, but a safer ride with an easy ecosystem to expand your light footprint as much as you desire. Turn, brake, headlight flash. Style and comfort define life. It's crucial. Premium finishes with several elegant colors. Adapt to any environment, with or without visor. Choose your side. Cruelty-free cycling with vegan straps. And a hassle-free signature magnetic buckle. All of this with a premium finish. Minimal design with discreetly integrated lights. And optimized ventilation without sacrificing style. Oh yes, certified for peace of mind. On this day, after years of dedication and 100,000 products sold around the world, Overade is ready to realize its vision with Life, a product developed with several beta testers. A product that will move your daily life.
the other unique thing about this, with the technology and everything that you got in it, I cannot believe how light this thing is. 2.6 pounds. It's amazing. I love these guys. They're hardworking. You know, if there was any company or anybody that I would ever think about investing in, it would be these two. You know, it's family, and I believe in them. They've been working so hard on this, and I couldn't put my faith in anybody else but this team. And I advise you to do the same. If you're going to get in on this, get in on it early. Do your investment. This thing is going to blow up.
Functional prototype is done. A lot of the hard work is done. We have the production is ready to go. We have a little bit of software left to do, and a little bit of hardware integration left as well. But we're ready to go. And all that's left to do now is to get your pre-orders in. Support this company. Support a company that will always be here to support you.